Odin, where are you going?
Yeah.
Mm. So we just checked in our room. This is what it looks like. Oh, Odin. So this is Wyndham in Las Vegas. You get a dishwasher right here. And then cups. There's plates. It's like a complete kitchenware. There's fridge, that toaster, cooking utensil, food utensils, baking. There's pots right here. Wow. And then it's 2 rooms. What's up, Roy?
What's up?
There's a restroom here, another bedroom there, dryer, and washer. They also have provided you laundry detergent. That's cool. Okay. This is like a pull-out bed. TV. This is the living room. And then this is the other room. So this is where we're gonna be staying. Have like our own TV. And then closet, backpack. My backpack. That's not part of the hotel, sorry. Little sink. Hello. Toilet and shower. So this is the Wyndham Hotel in Las Vegas. It is off of Strip. Good for family of 2. King size bed. Pretty good. Soft. Good. Let me just tour more. Let me see. So this is how big the room is. So this is how big the room is. So you have your living room, little dining table, and little kitchen area. And also there's like things to clean here too. So that's our room for the weekend. Okay, you guys, that's Wyndham in Las Vegas, room 2. Bye. Swimming. Where are you going?
1, 2, 3, video out. 1, 2, 3.
After dinner, swimming time. Sarap buhay. Hi. So this is their pool. That's their like jacuzzi. Place your key card on the reader. There you go. And then you open. Oh, is it warm towel? Wow, Roy.
This is the life.
Let's go, Odin. Swimming time. Hello. Oh, this is so much better than what I was doing earlier. My chan. Just floating around. This is nice. Wow. Whoa. By the way, this is our balcony. Part of the room tour. Pretty big. Didn't expect it to be this big. See, what's our view? Oh, we have a view of the pool. There's actually 3 pools in this area. One here, one over on the other side,